Hi, Gary at Golden Castle Caravans. Today I'm going to show you around this 2018 Sprite Quattro EB. The EB then has got the fixed bed at the side, it's transverse, and the Quattro implies that it's twin axle, as you can see. Very, very smart it is too, with its very smart graphic pack, and it sports the alloy wheels. You can stand on the front to clean the windows. Nice big opening gas locker lid, as you can see. These sides are GRP, super strong. That includes the hail resistant roof. Also the underside is GRP. So let me show you around the interior. So this van would be great to go touring in, or indeed because it's a twin axle, you could in fact just site it somewhere. So we've got the white coloured overhead lockers, positive catches. As per the Swifts, you have to push the button in order to open the lockers. That should therefore ensure that when you arrive on site, the lockers haven't inadvertently flown open and all your possessions are on the floor. You've got fly screens for when the windows are open in the warmer months, stop the insects and bugs getting in. In the evenings you've got night screens. You have got the curtains for that extra layer of comfort and warmth in the winter months. And this model, as you see, features the fixed panoramic window in addition to the roof light window. Makes the interior really bright. Plenty of seating here, look. For 4, you could possibly squeeze in 6. Useful and practical chest of drawers. Pull out occasional table. It does come with a main freestanding table. And not forgetting then, with your chest of drawers, it offers all that extra storage. Just while we're here, you've got the wooden effect flooring. It's very practical, it's easy to clean. In addition to that, you have got the tailored loose lay carpet mat set for that extra level of comfort and warmth. Oh, the kitchen area, kitchen extension, very practical that is too. Microwave, again, very practical. Hot cold running water, and this model also has got the blow heat system. Works off gas or electric. Fridge, touch control on the screen. And you've also got the removable freezer box. If you were to remove that, that will enlarge the size of the fridge, just giving you, dare I say it, more storage. 3-burner gas hob, grill and oven. And just while I'm talking about that, it's all very nicely presented. It's clearly been well looked after. Somewhere to put your TV, look. You've got power and aerial point, and also you've got storage underneath. Just while we're here, over the door, you've got main control, heat and hot water control. Okay, what I'm going to do now then is show you through to the washroom via the solid door in the middle. So you've got loo, swivel seat, push button flush, locker system over, door to the wardrobing, which offers great space as you can see. You've got the wash basin with mixer tap over, and then opposite the loo you've got this round fridge. My apologies, you've got the round shower with the rise and fall shower, as you can see, and then you've got the sliding door to the bedroom at the back. Okay. So this is a really great space to be. It doesn't feel dissimilar from maybe a static mobile home, and I think that's because it's got the dual aspect windows. By that I mean you've got a window at the back, but you've also got the window at the side. In addition to that, you've got the ceiling roof light, so it feels very bright in here. It's a really nice big space. Lots of overhead locker storage. You've got storage left and right side of the fixed bed, and also that gives you provision for drinks. This one's been fitted with an aftermarket mattress. As you can see by the depth of it, absolutely huge. That's quite something. And the fixed bed lifts up like so, and that offers all your storage for all the things that maybe you're not using when you get on site. And you can also access that space from outside, which again is super practical. Okay, so just to reiterate, it's 2018, it's a Swift Sprite Quattro EB. Quattro is twin axle, EB, end-bed, transverse at the very back. This is a great example. You could tow with it or you could site it, so it does lend itself to many options. It would be great for either a couple who like their space, or indeed if you were to go away with friends or family, given that the bathroom's in the middle. You can access that bathroom in the middle independent of both parties. That gives you an element of privacy, which makes this layout really good in that respect. Right, once again, my name's Gary. We've got Sarah on the camera.
Hi guys.
And the website address is goldencastle.co.uk, and the contact number is 01452 730 100. Please come down and visit. If you've got any questions, give us a call, email us, and we'd be delighted to answer those questions or indeed show you around any of our vans. Thanks ever so much.